just want my world to be a wonderland.
I'm late! I'm late for a very important date! No time to say hello. Goodbye, I'm late!
What a curious rabbit! Perhaps I should follow him. What's this I found?
A game?
Oh, I do love games.
Well, then, open your game sheet to the side with the questions on. When you find a station like this one, line up the number on the station with the number question on your sheet. And write the answers one letter at a time in the blanks provided.
Lovely, what's next?
More games! More games! Come on! This game is the picture find.
Oh, I love pictures.
Yes! When you get to a station like this one, line up your box on the game sheet with a laser etching on the station. Then take your crayon and collect it by doing a rubbing.
Can we play one more?
Yes, but you sure are an odd bird. Now this is the last one. Make me promise.
Do you promise?
I do. Now look at your game sheet, you silly girl. You've been holding the map the whole time, but it's hidden. When you find a station like this one, slide the map behind the red lens and zippity-appity-cabble-a-doo! You've been holding the map the whole time. I told you it was there.
Oh,
There are clues on these stations to help you with the other games too.
how wonderful.
Now toodly-doodle off with you. Now,
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Rabbit.
Oh, yes! Now remember, the ribbon along the side of the path lets you know if you're progressing through the maze. There is 4 colors in all. Try to explore each section. Wait! Watch out for the Queen! The Queen of Hearts!
Oh dear! Who's this? I'm Alice, Your Majesty. Don't Your Majesty me. We'll have rules in my maze. I'll say the rules, and you and these people will repeat after me. Are you ready? I will not smoke in the maze.
I will not smoke in the maze.
I will not run in the maze.
I will not run in the maze.
I will not break through the ribbon.
I will not break through the ribbon.
I will not pick the corn.
I will not pick the corn.
And I will not use foul language.
I will not use foul language.
Silence! Remember, rule breakers will be asked to leave the first time they break the rules. Then off with their heads. So please, have fun and obey the rules.
Come on, guys, we're late, let's go!
What a wonderful adventure!
And now that you know what you're doing as much as you can know what you're doing, it's time to start and get lost!